this is Gabriela, your local realtor. Today I would love to show you this brand new community called Ridden, built by KB Homes in North Long Beach. All the units are townhome style units, 3 stories, and they have several different floor plans to choose from 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms, different sizes. The smallest 2-bedroom unit is actually 1,400 square feet, which is considered a really nice size. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and an office or den or a little flex space, as they call it. They all come with private garages that has EV charging, laundry inside, nice open floor plans. They're wonderful, wonderful size units. And most importantly, they're pretty affordable. For 2 bedrooms, brand new construction, 1,400 square feet with a private garage at $700,000, that's a steal. Let's take a look. All right, this is the floor plan 1, which is the smallest, most affordable floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room, which we're standing in right now. So again, this flex room could be used for an office, den, might be a little too small for a TV room, but it's nice extra space. And again, it comes with nice size 2-car garage, or the garages are the same size. Comes with the EV plug, so you have electrical vehicle charging in every unit. And each unit has a central air conditioning and heating. And then there is a dual thermostat where you could actually turn on air conditioning or heating only on one level. So one thermostat covers this space, which is the living room, kitchen, downstairs. And then the second one covers or operates the upstairs, which is the bedrooms. So here we have nice size kitchen, open space with the dining area and the living room. Really nice size considering it's about 1,400 square feet, so it's a really nice size 2-bedroom with extra space downstairs. As you could see, this is fantastic space in here for entertaining. You have the kitchen, nice size center island where you could put a little bar stools, a little breakfast table, and it does come with a nice size pantry as well, all the way to the ceiling, so you can stock it up with all kinds of goodies. And nice modern looking shaker cabinets. These are like a light gray color self-closing cabinets. We have little upgrades here with these handles and fixtures. They normally come silver color fixtures. These were upgraded to a gold. And standard equipment comes with all the built-in appliances with the stove, electric stove. It is all electric unit since it's energy efficient, so it's all electric stove, a microwave, and a dishwasher. And then the refrigerator and the washer dryer is considered an upgrade and needs to be purchased separately. All units have solar panels that come with the unit. They're already included in the price, which is fantastic. The electric bill is super low. And then the flooring, standard equipment is carpeted. There's only in the kitchen, in the bathrooms. It comes vinyl that looks like tile, but this particular unit has all vinyl. So it is possible for an upgrade, obviously. And then this particular unit, we also have a little powder room here, which I may have skipped. There you go. And nice windows. This one is overlooking the side street, so it's a little quieter here. Nice size windows though. Brings a lot of light. And then recessed lighting, all higher ceilings. Nice space. This is a great space. Nice open space. And then another thing to mention, we have cabinetry all the way to the ceiling. So you have a lot of space for storage. Also underneath the center island here, you have a ton of space. Well, as you could see here in the cabinets. All right, so you have a lot of storage space for dishes and cookware and all kinds of stuff, which is really nice, obviously helpful for anybody who loves to cook. And then upstairs on the third level, we have the bedrooms. And here in the hallway, we have the full-size stackable washer and dryer. As I mentioned, it's not included in the standard equipment. They need to be purchased separately. And here we have the secondary bedroom. Really cute, lots of light, facing the community, which is still under construction, but it will be eventually technically facing the pool. You might be able to see pool from this particular unit. Not sure yet since it's not built yet, but nice, bright. And then it has en-suite bathroom, which is very nice. So it has its own bathroom here. Again, shaker cabinetry with upgraded golden fixtures and a tile, nice tile on the flooring. Really cute room, nice size room. You can definitely fit a nice size queen bed and 2 good sized nightstands. And then we have also decent sized closet. And here we have the master bedroom or primary bedroom, which is a little bigger and nicely decorated, of course, nicely staged. It's a very nice feel room. And that room is actually facing the street, side street. Very quiet. The windows must be really good quality because you can't hear any traffic from here. Here we go. And then this is the master bathroom. Really nice tile on the flooring. This is again upgrade, so it comes with this more standard flooring, which is the vinyl that looks like tile, but this is actually actual tile. And also we have really nice countertops here, quartz countertops with nice golden fixtures, giant mirror, lots of cabinetry, and then a separate toilet here, which is nice, and a walk-in shower. So like I said, this floor plan is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and that flex room or den office downstairs. It's a 3-story, higher ceilings here as well, so it feels a little bigger, but it actually does feel, not only feel spacious, but it is spacious. Here is the dual thermostat. So this thermostat operates only this upstairs level with the bedrooms. And then you have one separate downstairs that operates the living room kitchen area, which is really nice because when you're sleeping, you don't need to be cooling downstairs necessarily. And that way you're saving the energy. And we're coming down to the beautiful living room area. I just love this space. It's really nice and warm feeling, very comfortable, beautiful space. So this would be it for this floor plan. So each unit comes with some outdoor space. The smaller floor plans, the 2 bedrooms and the 3 bedrooms, they come with front patio. It's landscape right now, but it's going to be all paved or concrete so people could put furniture. And it is actually in front of the unit. This is going to be divided. It's momentarily not really set up as patios, private patios, but they will be. So there's definitely outdoor space for every single unit. Nice size.